On the surface, Dell Technologies World 2026 was about AI. But if you dig a little deeper into the major themes that were going on there, it was really about business transformation, how businesses are going to have to transform to survive in the years ahead. It was about tokenomics, the cost of doing all this AI work. It was about security and control and where data lives and where AI lives. And it was about bringing data to AI or AI to data. Last year in the 2025 conference, LLMs were the biggest topic of conversation for AI. But this year, the focus moved more towards business transformation in the form of agents. Where you run the agents, where their LLMs are, and the token costs and how you use them to transform your business was a huge theme at this year's show. How do I, as a business owner or as a person in a business, use AI to help with my processes? There are many steps involved. You have to learn what the processes are and how they really work. You have to communicate them. You have to debug. You have to ask, is this the right process or should I be changing my process? You've got to figure that out. You've got to figure out how to bring AI into your organization, how to translate your expertise there. And basically, you've got to onboard AI like it's a new employee. We can help businesses that are embracing AI in a variety of ways. We can help them with reports that we create that show things like the value of running AI on device for certain types of work or certain types of users. We can show them how different compute environments, like servers and local storage or in the cloud, can support different activities, different large language models, different user counts, different tasks. With our new Agentic framework, we can show them how different compute environments and storage environments can support agents and how well they support them, what they can expect to get from it. And we can even go further and work directly with those businesses and help create the processes for them and do proof of concepts for them to show exactly what they can expect in performance. PT has a great deal of experience already onboarding AI, using it for different things. And this is an area where we can help not just our technology customers who are selling the tools to run AI, but also businesses everywhere that are trying to figure out how to use AI to improve their processes.